A big alert for NVDA. If you hold NVDA, this video you cannot miss. I can save you a lot of money. Click like, subscribe, and share with your friend if you want to make more money. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset. Click like, subscribe, and stay until the end. I will give you a small surprise at the end. Okay, so now look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA has been so bull market since October 2022. So basically let's see how much from the low price to right now today is 345% up in 10 months. So basically 3.3 times almost, okay? 3 times gain. So if you put, let's say 1 million, you make right now you're making 3 million, okay? More than 3, the profit, okay? So it's crazy, okay? But when, why I say this is a big alert, I want to give you some alert because some people still ask me, basically one audience still ask me, what do I think about NVIDIA? Should they buy or what should they do? When can they buy? So many people have looked at this stock, they still want to buy. I want to give you a big alert. This is a monthly chart, RSI 14. So every single time, so right now we are in the overbought zone, okay? So the RSI is over 70. So you need to be very careful because every time, well, they can still go up even they are in the overbought zone, right? So for example, here, it's still overbought zone and it still can go all the way up. Here, they in overbought zone, they can still all the way go up. But I want to give you some alert. When the RSI drop below this 70 level, they will have a big rally down, big correction down. For example, here from the high price to the low price, they drop for, basically they drop for 57%. And the other one here, the other one, this one here, they drop for 68%, okay? So you need to be careful. If the RSI drop below this line, we will expect to have a big correction, okay? This is a monthly chart. So the correction is not just 1 day, 2 day, or 3-4 week, would be more. This one, the small valley, the small correction would be like 3 months. This one, the big one, this one, how that is like what, 10 months. 10 months, I mean, it's pretty long. Okay, so you need to be careful about this. Okay, so the next one I want to mention you is this indicator, this way to count. So look at NVIDIA. Every time when they like 1 to 9, when they count 1 to 9, 9 is a critical point. If the 9 candle, the last candle is red candle, so it means closing price higher than the closing price lower than the opening price, you will expect they will drop down, okay? And if this is a green candle, if the closing price is higher than the opening price, you will expect another increase, okay? This one also, look at this. So it's increase. So this one is closing price higher than the opening price. They still go ahead, okay? So this one, we need to wait September to confirm this one is up or down, okay? If the closing price is higher than the opening price, this is fine. If not, it's possible the RSI will come down also. So if they come down to 70 and lower, you need to be careful. Maybe it's a good time to sell it, okay? So now look at my indicator. So in very long term, it's still going up, of course. And it's possible if you have this indicator, it's also easy to see. If they drop below this, it's a good candle to sell it. Okay, you see? They drop below this red line, you sell it. And this is for long term. You drop below this red line, you sell it. Okay? And you drop below, let's say here, if you don't look at RSI, you can also look at here. You drop below, you sell it, okay? So, but RSI is very easy to use. I would say it's one of my favorite strategy to use. This is monthly chart. And I have mentioned for S&P 500, NASDAQ, August and September is one of, most likely, I'm not saying 100%, but in our history, most likely is one of our peak. And then we will have a small pullback or correction, depends on is bull market, or is a bull market or a bear market, okay? So basically, August and September, you need to be careful. And you match with the time. Look at this. Today is August, almost like today is 23rd of August. So basically next month is September. If September, this is a time resistance, and now you have also the time price resistance. So you need to be careful. They could come down quite a big range for NVDA since it has been up since really long time, right? So this is NVDA. You need to be careful this month and next month. And just don't think about buy. Maybe think about how to sell it. Okay, so now I can prevent you those 50% lost. So this is weekly chart. So you can see here weekly chart, we are in the downtrend a little bit also, but weekly chart, the RSI come above 70. So it is still have some room to go up, okay? Because it's still above 70. And how about the daily chart? The daily chart is for short term. So daily chart, first, you can see the hour blue indicator is going down. So it means this is downward. You would expect this is a rebound. That's it. And the RSI has nothing special. But we are now between these two indicators. So if they can go above this blue, it will have a small value to go up. If not, maybe this oh my God, this blue line will serve as a resistance also. So you need to be careful, have your own strategy. And remember, we have already a peak here and they form at another peak here. So let me show you the double peak. So you see here, one peak, two peak, and the RSI is going lower and lower. So this is a divergence, okay? So you need to be careful. Maybe this one, you need to be careful about the price range, okay? So if you have NVIDIA, just give some alert about how to reduce your position, okay? You can use RSI strategy or you can use any kind of strategy. Just look at the strategy, how to sell it, okay? So this is my sharing today. And if you want me to analyze your stock, click the link below, join the email list and put two stock symbol in the list. So in the form that you can put two stock symbol inside and I will analyze for you. And I will email you back with my indicator for you to tell. Of course, I have few more indicator here. So for you to tell also what's going on for your stock. And I see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye.